Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights and taillight light bulbs. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now my Focus, both rear brake light bulbs are burnt out and they are not working, so these are these bottom bulbs, and I will now show you how to actually remove the taillight assembly and then replace the bulbs. Okay, first you want to pop out this plastic cover. It should be fairly easy. There's a couple of these plastic tabs on the other side. Step number 2, you want to remove two of these plastic mounting screws, one here and one here on the top. So just turn them counterclockwise. Once that is done, nothing else is holding this taillight in place. I want to gently push it towards that direction, so away from the vehicle, because there is one more pin actually right somewhere here. So I want to push it straight towards that side. Once I remove it, I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay. You see, here is that pin. Let me just turn my phone. Okay, here is the pin, and this pin is inside this hole right here. So that's why I said you don't want to force it, you want to gently push it away from the vehicle. And these are these like mounting screws here. Okay, now once you have the taillight out, it's quite easy to remove the bulbs. Okay, now to replace the bulbs, you just want to turn the sockets counterclockwise and pull out, just like this. And the other one, same thing, turn and pull out the bulb. And now to completely remove the bulb from the socket, you just pull it straight out. There is no turning or twisting or anything. I'm trying to work with one hand. Okay. And that's how you do it. Same thing goes with the other bulb. And to completely remove the assembly, you just want to disconnect two of these bulbs. And you can remove it away, and then if you have a new taillight, you will just insert the bulbs into the taillight assembly and put the taillights back in place. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.